13 free DIY kitchen island plans. This huge kitchen island has 2 cupboards with shelves, open shelving, and a huge drawer perfect for a farmhouse kitchen. You could even use it as an entryway console if you'd like. This free kitchen island plan from Old Paint Design builds a rustic kitchen island with drawers and a lower shelf for storage. Can you believe this great-looking island costs less than $100 to build? Here's a plan for a simple kitchen island that's perfect for the beginner woodworker. Drawers, a pull-out waste bin, a drop leaf top, and shelves for storage are all part of this free kitchen island plan. Rockler has a free kitchen island plan that uses pre-built cabinet panels for the sides and a butcher block from the top. Using pre-built materials will save you a lot of time in building your kitchen island. The Fill has a free plan for building a kitchen island out of base cabinets. If you're looking for a professional-looking island that doesn't take much work, this is a great DIY project. This free kitchen island plan from Shanty 2 Chic builds a kitchen island that will even fit in small spaces. The design includes a large workspace, lower open shelf, wheels to make it portable, and a towel bar. Make your kitchen island dreams come true with this beautiful build that includes open storage plus a pull-out bin for your trash can. This would also be an excellent island to use in an outdoor kitchen. This rustic but modern kitchen island includes 2 shelves, large drawers, and a wood countertop. It could be stained or painted to match just about any style of kitchen. Our Vintage Home Love has a free kitchen island plan which uses aged wood to give it a nice rustic look. Cherished Bliss has designed a small but mighty kitchen island that has 2 cabinets, 4 drawers, a butcher block countertop. Just because you have a small kitchen doesn't mean you can't have a kitchen island. This free kitchen island plan builds a great-looking one for less than $50. This free kitchen island plan builds a large kitchen island complete with 2 storage shelves, a push-through drawer, and a double-sided cabinet. If you like the style but are short on space, Designs by Studio C also has a free plan for a smaller version. This free plan for a kitchen cart will double nicely as a kitchen island but offer more flexibility since you can move it. If you put it outside, you could use it for a grill island. It would also look great with some DIY bar stools. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.